In this video, I'm going to try solving this question. It says, if x squared minus 10x plus 20 is equals to 0, then we should solve for x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 all over x minus 3 raised to the power of 4. Now, the first step we are taking in solving this question is to substitute. So we have x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 in our question. So we can say, let x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 be equals to m. Now, since x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to m, we are going to try making x the subject of the formula by adding positive 3 to both sides of the equation. So we have x is equals to 3 plus m. Now, back to our question, that is the main equation in the question. It says x squared minus 10x plus 20 is equals to 0. So we are going to substitute the value of our x, which is 3 plus m, to this equation. So we have 3 plus m squared minus 10 multiplied by 3 plus m plus 20 is equals to 0. So when we open the brackets, we have 9 plus 6m plus m squared minus 30, then minus 10m plus 20 is equals to 0. Now, after simplifying this expression, we'll be left with m squared minus, that is our positive 6m minus 10m is going to give us minus 4m. Then when we add our 9 minus 30, then plus 20, will be left with just minus 1. So we have m squared minus 4m minus 1 is equals to 0. So the next step we are taking is to divide both sides by m. So we have m squared minus 4m minus 1 all over m is equals to 0 all over m. Now, the m is going to cancel one of the m in m squared, so we have m minus, then the m is going to cancel the m in 4m, so we have minus 4 minus 1 all over m is equals to 0 divided by m is still going to give us 0. So we have m minus 4 minus 1 all over m is equals to 0. Now, the next step we are taking is trying to make m minus 1 all over m the subject of the formula. So we are going to try getting rid of minus 4. So how do we do this? We add positive 4 to both sides of the equation. So this will give us m minus 1 all over m is equals to 4. Now, the next step we are taking again is to square both sides. So when we square both sides, we have m squared minus 2 bracket m, then multiply by 1 all over m plus 1 all over m squared is equals to 16. Now, this m here can cancel this m and we're left with just 2. So this equation is going to give us m squared plus 1 all over m squared minus 2 is equals to 16. So we are going to add positive 2 to both sides of the equation. So we have m squared plus 1 all over m squared is equals to 18. Now, the next step we are taking again is to square both sides. So we have m squared plus 1 all over m squared all raised to the power of 2 is equals to 18 all raised to the power of 2. Now, this is going to give us m raised to the power of 4 plus 2 bracket m squared, then multiply by bracket 1 all over m squared plus 1 all over m raised to the power of 4 is equals to the square of 18 is going to give us 324. Now, this m squared is going to cancel this m squared and be left with just 2. So this will give us m raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 all over m raised to the power of 4 is equals to 324. Now, we're going to get rid of 2 to make our m raised to the power of 4 plus 1 all over m raised to the power of 4 the subject of the formula. So we add negative 2 to both sides of the equation. So this will give us m raised to the power of 4 plus 1 all over m raised to the power of 4 is equals to 322. So remember when we said our x minus 3 is equals to n. So when we bring back that into our equation, we have x minus 3 all raised to the power of 4 plus 1 all over x minus 3 all raised to the power of 4 is equals to 322. So this we can say our final answer is equals to 322. Thanks for watching. Bye.